Welcome to Jam Rock, camp where the thugs them camp, but some boy don't know this. Them only come around like tourists, on the beach with a few club sodas, bedtime stories, and don't know the real hardcore. Sandals and a buckle, the thugs them will do what them got to, and won't think twice to shot you. Don't let them spot you, unless you carry guns a lot too. A big tough thing come at you when trench town man stop laugh and block off traffic, and then we lamp pop off and no stop clap it. Then, yo, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. You don't know what it is already, you know. See it here? Crime and violence preventing Jamaicans from returning home. That is the topic of this video today. Look, I'm all Jamaican now. To see my shirt, to see my flag behind me and all these things. Represented, me said, this week the talk is on all these things. Alright? So, don't forget, we're hooking up with Brains and the Beat channel today, or not today, but this week. And all the videos, when you're done watching SouFLoTV and my opinion of the topic, leave your comments here so we can dialogue, and hit the link in the description and head over to Brains and the Beat channel for the same topic and hear a different or similar, whichever one is going to be, I don't know either. I will be over there with you, opinion on the same topic. So today's video is about crime and violence preventing Jamaicans from returning home. Sidebar that, me want to also talk about how it's making Jamaicans that are already home take desperate measures to actually leave the country. Alright, so, long time ago we did a video on SouFLoTV, right? And when I say long time ago, I mean the channel is young. SouFLoTV just passed a year old. The channel is young, but when I say long time ago, I upload videos almost every single day. So when you ask me to go back 4 or 5 months of video, that's 4 or 5 months, that's 30, 60, 90, 100 times, that, a whole heap of video that. So, a while back we did a video on SouFLoTV, and the video was about how crime and violence is preventing people from returning to Jamaica then. The expatriates, the people who fly out and go England, Canada, and all over the world, because everywhere I've been in the world, I've met Jamaicans there. And not just one Jamaican, but a whole community of Jamaicans, because anywhere we go in the world, because we're energetic and powerful people, and we are very steeped in our culture, whereas we love our culture so much, we tend to form or find where we can link up with others of our kind, no matter which part we're there. Even those in Italy, Amsterdam, Germany, Sweden, all these places, them have Jamaican communities there. So, with that said, all these people that are outside of Jamaica and left Jamaica for whatever reasons, whether it was to go work hard and stock up the money for a better day, and with plans of coming back to Jamaica and investing in their homeland and bringing back their expertise, the things they've learned over the years, decades that they've spent abroad, and contributing constructive contribution to their country or their country of birth then. These people are actually being put off. They're actually being put off in record numbers. I told a story on a video a long time ago. I talked about a long time ago and talk about today. And tell the story again. Here goes the story. My own mother, my mom, SouFLoTV mother, own a restaurant in Florida, in the United States of America. Must be successful because the restaurant turned up for over 20 years, right? Okay, so someone like this that has accumulated wealth in the United States of America, has been successful, lives a great life here. The last thing she wants to do is to go back to Jamaica and get herself killed because people think that, yo, she have money in her dog, now jump the fence and run in that house, you know, and hold her up, you know, and end up shut up the lady or stab her up or whatever they do to kill you when you come back home. But now throw Jamaica under the bus. I'm thinking that it is time for us to actually have a serious discussion about this once again, because it is something that is seriously on the minds of Jamaicans that really want to go back to Jamaica. Sidebar for a little bit. I was talking the other day about Jamaicans owning guns. And of course, a lot of Jamaicans came on that post and said stuff like, what good is that going to do? Well, I can tell you that a criminal is not really going to run into your house if he knows or she knows that everyone in this neighborhood has a right to own a gun, can afford to own a gun, and does own guns and are trained in using those guns to protect their properties. Thief are going to run in your house when them know that majority of the people around them, chances are very slim to none that they actually have a weapon to protect themselves, a gun to protect themselves. Them are going to run up in your house. And that is exactly what is going on in Jamaica. I don't want to talk about the whole process of how they got Jamaica to actually be, how they disarmed every citizen in Jamaica, because at one point, whether you know it or not in history, Jamaica had guns all over the place, and we weren't running around killing each other with these guns. Jamaica, you used to be able to go hunting in Jamaica with your gun and have a legal permit to own your weapon, and it didn't cost much to own it, and it wasn't a long process in getting one. Certain political things happen. I want you to go do your own research, and I know my SouFLoTV audience. Some of y'all are extremely intelligent, so somebody is going to go find, hint, hint, somebody is going to go find an article that actually speaks the truth and paste it on SouFLoTV for others to read and to see the whole process of how they disarmed Jamaica. Now, back from the gun thing, topic of the day, crime and violence, preventing Jamaicans from returning to Jamaica. My mother said to me, she is never going back to Jamaica. I said, Mummy, topic. Talk because a Jamaica is born and grow. So, I don't see how you come in a foreign people country and feel like, say, this is which part you are going to live your whole life, dead, pass away, and want to be buried upon them people aside. In Jamaica, we actually have our own family burial ground. SouFLoTV, when I go to Jamaica, I subscribe to my roots and my culture. I carry a bottle of rum, I go down to my great-great-grandparents' grave, and I'm going to pour some rum on them grave. To my ancestors and these things, I sit up on them grave, I soak in the vibes. I feel them spirit around me and all these things. You know what I'm saying? So we have our own family burial ground. So for my mother to say something like she don't ever want to go back to Jamaica, like she will go for a visit and then get the fuck back out of there, it makes me say like, wow, really? A woman like this that has so much to contribute, to the country, to Jamaica, she prefer to stay away. Because the biggest fear is her being killed when she goes home. Alright. Long story short, I kind of talked her out of that. Matter of fact, she just came back from Jamaica a week ago. I kind of talked her out of that because Miss Etoar said, and I took that up on my shoulder. Me and the young warrior then. I've said before, I'm going to say it again. Nobody is going to keep me away from this place here or out of this place here. Crime and violence is rampant in Jamaica and we cannot deny it. When you have foreigners that come home and they're being targeted, you have to just say it. When you have foreigners that come home, because that's how they look at us like foreigners. Once you've been away from Jamaica for a long time, you come back in another place, them look at you like a foreigner. Me don't care how much you think you own the language, master the language, can chat pato all day and all day sitting there. Them still are going to know right away. Said, no man, one taxi driver said that to me. When I go to Jamaica, I hear a taxi, I'm there in a taxi, and I move, and the taxi man said, so which part you come from? And I said, I come from Clarendon. He said, no man, you're probably born at Clarendon, but you come from foreign. Which part of foreign you come from? I said, brother, why you ask me that? Which part of foreign I come from? And Jamaica I come from. He said, no dog, I tell you why. Because I can't hear it in you, I can't see it on you. I don't know how or why, but that conversation had me started feeling bummy. Because me I say, yo, if somebody drive with me and things say, he might go carry me somewhere and rob me because he must say me a foreigner and these things. Anyway, he dropped me off at my destination, but the man that he looked kind of suspicious in not only his words, but in his body mannerisms and everything like that. Crime and violence is high as frig in Jamaica. In places in Jamaica that we didn't even expect it to be. When we look at some place like my Clarendon, my parish, I say, man, a lot big gun in a blood clean Clarendon, that was unheard of before I left Jamaica. So to look now and say, man, a black big gun at Clarendon, and a whole heap of man get shot up at Clarendon and these kinds of things, it made me think deeper that my mom probably does have a point. Because the last thing I would want is for my mother to come to America. She set the pace for me, you know. Big up my daddy too, you know. But my mother set the pace for me, you know. So for a woman like that to come, be so productive, so successful, go back home, she says, can you imagine if she says to me, yo, SouFlo, SouFlo she call me, but I'm not going to tell her what she call me. She said, SouFlo, I'm ready to go home now, right? I'm old, I'm ready to go home now, go sit down and relax myself, and make you go and take over everything else. I say, alright, moment, I'm going to get Kara, go home, we'll set up our things and thing. And can you imagine me there foreign, and me get a phone call and say, yo dog, them run up in your mother place and kill her, you know? It's happened many times. I'm not talking about 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, it happened many times. So again, not trying to throw Jamaica under the bus, not trying to say that we're filled with more crime and violence than anywhere else in the world. I'm not really concerned with anywhere else in the world. Jamaica may talk about right now because I feel my place and that's how me plan to go and invest all my earnings at. I mean, I try to tell my Jamaican people, say, we're island beautiful, we're culture beautiful, we are respected all around the world, but you guys are scaring the frig out of those who have gone away, made something of themselves, and can actually come back and contribute to the upliftment of our beautiful place, not only financially, intellectually, and all other kinds of ways, alright? So, this one is deep, and why I think about this one today. SouFLoTV, man, like, comment, share, and subscribe. In closing, I will say this. Every time I do a video on SouFLoTV, if the video is about gossip, dancehall, friggery, who I war with who, all these kinds of things, the video immediately get 1 bag of views. Anytime we do videos that demand thinking, critical reasoning, research, and all these things, them videos they slowly grow. Don't take my word for it. Pay attention to the comment section and pay attention to the numbers on this video and compare it to the numbers on the other videos that have to do with entertainment and dancehall music and all these things. Alright. In closing, I will say this. Remember, we're teaming up with Brains and the Beat this week, so click the link in the description. That link will lead you over to Brains and the Beat channel, and you should be able to hear something concerning this topic about Jamaicans who are being scared away from returning to Jamaica because of the high level of crime and violence that is happening inside of the country. And let's not talk about corruption on all different levels, which allows crime and violence to be so prominent in our beautiful island of Jamaica. Yo, Jamaica so powerful around the world, right? Everybody would think that Jamaica big like the United States of America. When them find out that you can actually drive out Jamaica in a 1 day, and you can fit a couple Jamaica into the state of Florida alone, people say, "Bomba clot, really?" So everybody there must live on top of each other or know each other. No, we really are small. We are a small, big island. We're liquor, but we're talawa. It's SouFLoTV. You know, like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't know we do it already, you know. I'm going to end by saying what? Peace.